Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to recover deleted phone calls history or restore deleted phone call logs history. If you want to recover or restore your deleted phone calls history, so let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. Here you can see in this here my all phone calls history, and in this time I can delete my all phone calls history and I can easily recover or restore my all deleted phone calls history. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, tap on please. Here you can see delete, click here and then delete option, click on it, and then you can see right top corner 3 button option, click on it. You can see call history, tap on please, and then right top corner 3 button option, click here, and in this time you can see clear call history, so click on it, clear call history, so click here OK. Here you can see in this here no calls history, but I can easily recover or restore my all deleted phone calls history. So let's see how to do that. Please minimize it and go to your Google Play Store. Here you can see Google Play Store, open it. And in this here you can see telephony backup calls and SMS app. Please install this app and then open it. And in this here you can see your all deleted phone calls history or your deleted phone calls logs history, and in this time you can easily recover or restore your deleted all phone calls history or all phone call logs history. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, tap on please, and then you can choose this option, so click on it, restore to device. You can choose accept option, so click here accept, and then you can choose again accept option, so click on it accept, and go to your phone call logs, open it, and here you can see in this here my deleted calls history or call logs history easily recover or restore. So minimize it and go to again telephony backup and calls and SMS app, and in this time you can again tap on please, and then here you can see right top corner 3 button option, click here, and then you can see select all option. You can choose select all option, so click on it, select all, and remember in this time selected my all deleted phone calls history, and I can easily recover or restore my all calls logs history. So let's see. Here you can see this option, click on it, and then you can choose accept option, so click here accept, and then you can see again accept, so click on it accept, minimize it and go to your call logs. Here you can see call logs, open it. Here you can see in this here I can easily recover or restore my all deleted phone calls history or recover or deleted all phone call logs history, and in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted phone calls history or recover or restore your deleted all phone calls logs history. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.